Before we had the pump installed, we had very low hot water pressure as a result of having new tap fitted, and unfortunately the water supply to the hot is fairly minimal because of the head from the header tank down to the hot water tank, and that made it more or less useless really. If you wanted to wash your hands, for instance, then it was difficult because you couldn't get the temperature mix right to wash your hands with. It either was hot or very cold. I was looking for a solution, obviously, and Sam, the plumber, suggested I might ring Tap Store, who supplied the tap, and a very nice gentleman called Will from Tap Store got in touch with Charlotte at Salamander Pumps, who said, "We've got a new product coming onto the market, and I'm sure that would do the job perfectly."
It's an old property and it's on gravity fed, so the pressure on the hot side wasn't really good at all. There was other options, but they would have been a lot more expensive because it would have had a big pump up probably in the airing cupboard. What would do the old system, the old property, but it's already got a pump for the shower. The other utility room, the hot side wasn't too bad, so it was really the kitchen side what was the problem. So there's always options, but a lot more cost effective this way. When obviously opened the box, I couldn't believe how small it was. To fit under a kitchen cupboard, it's really ideal. I mean, the instructions are really easy. It's self-explanatory, really. It's a really good product to fit, to install. With it being gravity fed, I'd turn the tanks off upstairs and drain the water. And then from there, obviously, we cut into the hot side of under the sink, offer it up, see where you need to cut. On the top connection, it looks like you can either go straight onto a flexi, but in this scenario, I used a male-lined copper to connect onto it, and then the copper pipe fits into that. Underneath it comes supplied with a nut and olive from the inlet side. It's just really simple. Final steps was turn the water back on, make sure the tank's full and everything, get rid of all the air in the pipework, and basically it's a matter of just plugging it in. Check for the blue light, plug it in, on, and then away it goes. The benefits for the customer is it's got pressure. High pressure is a kitchen tap, which is really happy about. And the sound of it, you can't hear it at all, so it's just like putting the kitchen tap on and getting good pressure.
It has provided a noticeable difference in water pressure. It's certainly much improved on how it was before.